This is a dia here in Mallorca. Spanish dog. And this is the cutest thing ever. Eh? 65cc. Fruit market. Supermarket. But it's set in the mountains. A lot of cyclists here. Look at this, eh? These beautiful buildings. But if I just pan here, you can just get a sense of the terraces, the beautiful houses. Try not to get killed here crossing the road. Let's just see, we go past over here. It was really dark, and now that the sun has come over the mountains, there's some sunlight. So this is sort of like the coastal road. These windy roads. So now it's darker because we're in the shade. But look at the old buildings and the shutters. Look, you see. Mallorca is a big cycling destination, so everywhere on all the roads, just cyclists everywhere. I'm sure the locals must just drive them crazy. But here's a couple of cyclists here. Those look like e-bikes. I have to say, when I see the cyclists and the non-e-bike, just the regular bikes, people look like they're not having that much fun, and then the e-bike people are always smiling. I'm going to cross over here. Oh, there goes our e-bike people. I'm walking back to get the car. There's very little parking in town. I think we probably could have swung it, but we've heard of people who just can't even visit the village because they can't find anywhere to park. Oh, this is good. Get a good view here. Look at this, eh? Just stop for a sec. And these beautiful purple flowers, I don't know what they are. See those? Look at that, eh? Just love the palm trees. And look right here. Those look to be peaches, peach trees. Windy, isn't that beautiful? This is the walkway. Boy, windy. Anyway, I think I'm just going to end on this beautiful terraced houses on the hillside. There you have it.